Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make a simple but absolutely delicious sandwich. We're going to make my Monte Cristo sandwiches. Not very many ingredients at all. You're going to need some bread, some good bread. You guys can use whatever bread you prefer. I really love the Dave's Killer bread, so we're going to do the white bread done right. You're going to need some mayonnaise, some mustard, some butter, a few eggs. You're going to need salt and pepper, a little paprika, and then for my deli meat, I'm using Boar's Head. And if you guys don't know what Boar's Head is, shame on you. You guys need to go get yourself some Boar's Head deli meat because it's absolutely the best deli meat. So I have some honey smoked turkey breast and then just regular boiled ham. And then I also have some smoked Gouda cheese. And that's it, guys. That's all you need to make these delicious Monte Cristo sandwiches. So let's go make some sandwiches. Alright guys, so first what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start on the sauce that we're going to be putting on the sandwiches. So you're going to do mayonnaise and however much you want. I'm making 6 or 7 sandwiches. So you're going to do your mayonnaise and mustard. Obviously your mayonnaise is going to be more than the mustard. To this you're going to put a little bit of paprika. Just a pinch. And then a little bit of salt and pepper. And then just give that a good whisk. And then you're done with your sauce. So now we'll go ahead and start assembling the sandwiches. Now for this video, I'm only going to show you guys one sandwich. Like I said, I have a lot of sandwiches to make. Under here, I have all my deli meat, which you guys probably can't see. I have it over here on the side. And then I have my bread. Alright. So all you're going to do is you're going to take 3 pieces of bread. And this is the way I do it so that I remember what goes where. The thing to remember is your cheese always needs to be on the top or the bottom so that when you put it together and it melts, your cheese acts like a glue and it holds everything together, if that makes sense. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our prepared sauce and you're going to put it on each piece of the bread, however much you would like to put. I just put a nice thin layer on each piece, like so. And like I said, you guys can add more if you'd like. I'm just doing a nice thin layer covering the whole piece of bread. And like I said, this is a really quick sandwich, but it is absolutely so delicious. It's so filling. I can only eat a half one of these. So they are quite filling. Alright, that looks great. I'm going to put this over here. Alright, so I'm going to move this over so you guys can see how I do it with the meat, the deli meat. Alright, so you have your 3 pieces of bread. And then all you're going to do is you're going to take your cheese. And like I said, this is Boar's Head deli meat. And this is smoked Gouda. And it basically has, if you've never had Gouda or smoked Gouda, it's got like a bacon flavor to it, which goes really nice with this. And then you're going to take some ham. Again, however much you guys want to put on your sandwich. And you're going to do, we don't like a lot of meat on our sandwiches, so like I said, put as much meat as you want, but try to do it in these steps. Like so. So on top of your ham, you're going to put your turkey. And I like my deli meat sliced really thin. What about you guys? Do you like it thin, shaved? I like it basically shaved. If it was up to me, I would get it all shaved. My family likes it really thin as well. I don't like thick deli meat. I think it tastes different, and I just don't like it. Maybe we're weird. I don't know. Okay, so your sandwich should look like this. So cheese, ham, turkey, cheese, ham, turkey. and then your bread with the cheese. And then all you're going to do is you're going to take your top to there, and then put it on top like that. And that's it. So you have 3 layers of goodness. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up everything so I can show you how to fry this. Alright guys, so in this bowl all you're going to do is crack and beat your eggs. Again, however many sandwiches you're making will depend on how many eggs. So I would say probably 3 eggs per 2 sandwiches. Alright, and give that a nice whisk. Okay, now we're going to go put the sandwich in the egg mixture and fry it. Alright guys, what I have here is my cast iron with the grill marks, which I love when I'm doing a fried sandwich or whatnot. So we're going to go ahead and use this. I prefer using a cast iron, of course. So we're going to turn our stove on medium high. We want to get this nice and hot. It'll probably take a minute or 2. Okay, so this is getting nice and hot. We're going to go ahead and add some butter. Now, this does take a lot of butter. So I would say 2 tablespoons, because we're going to be frying this, so we want to make it nice and buttery. Let that heat up. Alright, that looks great. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take our sandwich, okay, we're going to dip it in the egg, like so, get it nice and eggy. I'm going to put it right onto the cast iron. Let me go wash my hands. I'm going to let this cook and get nice and fried, and I will flip it and show you what the other side looks like. Alright, let's check this baby out here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to leave it on there for a second, and you're going to have to add some more butter for when you flip it. Let that melt, and then flip it. Look at that. That's what you want. You want a nice toasted bread, and I have the grill marks on there. And we're going to do the other side, and we'll be back, guys, to check it out when it's all done. Alright guys, I think we're done. Let's go ahead and check this bad boy out. I went ahead and turned off my stove. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Everything is nicely cooked inside. The cheese is melting. So what I'm going to do is I am going to cut this open for you and show you what the inside looks like. So I'll be back. Alright guys, now I'm going to go ahead and cut into it. And I like cutting things like this. You hear that crunch? It's going to be hot. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I really hope you guys give this a try. Let me know how you liked it, if you made it. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Put your notifications on so you guys don't miss any of my videos. And enjoy, guys.